Drop it.
In this video, I'm going to share to you relational operators. Now let's look at our code. Now, relational operators are operators that allows us to test the relationship between two entities. The symbols or the operators includes here less than, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, this is exactly equal or equal to, and not equal. The resulting value when we execute this is 0 and then 1, wherein 0 is false and then 1 is true. Now let's look at our code. In this example, we will be entering a value of integer type, which is n, and then we're going to compare the value to 25. So here, we're going to print out n less than 25 is, and then we're going to get the value of their input value and then compare it to the actual 25 number here. So the result will be 0 and then 1 only. Okay, let's run our code. Let's look at the result. So here we're prompted to enter a number. So let's say we enter 25. Then press enter here. Here's the result of the comparison between the two numbers. We have n less than 25 is 0. So what does it mean? When we compare n, which is 25, 25 less than 25 is false. This one is also false. Okay, 25 greater than 25 is also false. This one here is 25 less than or equal to 25 is true. 25 greater than or equal to 25 is true. 25 equal to 25 is true. And the last one is 25 not equal to 25 is false. So the resulting value here is only 0 and then 1. So that's it for the relational operators. Thank you for watching. Bye.